Hello everyone, good morning. I want to show y'all a short video. Woke up this morning, I got one of my X Mark stand on, has a flat tire. So rather me putting everything out, sorry for the mess. I mean, last weekend it was raining. I had to hurry up and get in the put the stuff in here and just throw everything in. But I want to show y'all this Milwaukee air compressor. I had it for about a month now. I love it. It has a 6.0 battery. I bought it separate. They're expensive. Little batteries are expensive, but I love them. Rather the 2.0, they die quicker. And I just want to show y'all the short video how convenient this little thing is. You know, it doesn't weigh none. Just put it in the van. Have one battery, two battery charged up for any emergency. Works for your van too. They don't have to be just for zero turns. But I mainly use it for zero turns. I want to show y'all how tight the spot it is right here. You know. Alright. Here's the air compressor. Flat tire. Let's see. Get it screwed on there as tight as possible. Alright, so go back over here. Alright, you see the numbers? Alright, go. If you hold on it, it goes by fives. Alright, I just put 25 right quick. Alright, don't hit this one. This is the power button. This one is for the compressor to start running. Here it goes. stopped it right there. I made a mistake because I was showing you I went through 5s. It went to 25. I think this is at 20 psi max or 22. So I'm gonna leave it there because when you unhook it, a little bit of air gets out of it. As you can see, when the first time these numbers had 0, 0, it's because this tire was all the way flat. It was almost all the way to the ground. So that's why it couldn't read no pressure. And then eventually it kept going up 5 little by little. So now it's 23.5. I'm gonna leave it at that because you don't supposed to put too much air on these. Just unhook it as quick as possible. And that's it, yo. Now I got a chance to find out what's wrong, if there's a nail or something in it. Now I can move it out and take it out of the trailer. See, I just wanted to show you the short video because I had this for a month now. I was trying it out with a couple stuff. It has accessories, soccer ball or football, inflated bed, or balloons, or like swimming stuff. Buy them at Home Depot. I want to say $89.99 or almost $100, but I got this on sale for Christmas before New Year's. Man, this is a wonderful thing to carry. Rather big old compressor. I see a lot of people carry compressors on the trailer or in their truck or something. It just wastes space and too heavy. This right here, I mean, it weighs nothing and it's not in your way. Put it up on the shelf, put it up in the truck, whatever you got under your seat, and it's wonderful. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Time for me to go to work. Thank y'all. Like and subscribe. Oscar Lawn Service.